video on how to convert a SMULE file into music audio file or MP3, how to save the video source. Okay, so open to your SMULE. We're using the Expire Band page, and let's use this one. So when you open it up, you'll see the video like this. Okay, so what you want to do to basically download either this video or the music. If it's just music, then it will download the music. These whoever's singing the audio. Go into page info, press enter, and let me just copy the name here. Page info, audio, and then go to media. This is where everything happened. So right here's the video. If it's just if they just whoever's singing or the music and stuff like that, and doesn't have, it just has music on here. Okay, I'll look for one that with just music, and so you guys can see what it looks like. Press save as, and then put in your title. I'm saving to my desktop, so choose your location. And since this is a video, it'll be M4, MPEG-4, and that's it. So on my desktop, it's right here. Okay, so if you okay, let's do another one with just basically the singing without it. Okay, so this one is just whoever's doing it don't want to put up anything, so they're just using the whatever the photo that it's up there. And it's the same thing. Go to media, basically go to media, and it'll be under still video. But once you save as, it'll be M4A music audio file. Okay, that's the only difference. And then once you save it onto your location, which I usually save everything onto my desktop, see, it'll just show up as a audio music file, and this will show up as a video file. So hopefully this helped you guys. Thank you. Have a good one. Hey, don't forget, subscribe, okay?